welcome everyone to this new video, and today we will see some of the tips and tricks of our Chrome web browser. So this is YouTube and we are playing a song, then we can directly control all our tabs which is playing a song or has audio in it from the button here. So if we want to play this, then we can directly play and pause. Also if we want to play some of the other tabs, then we can directly do it from here. So if we have hundreds of tab open and we need to search in which tab song is playing, then we can directly do it from here. Also, if you are working on different window, means different window, not means it means different tab or different software, then you can directly open in the pop-up mode, and then it will be good to go, and we can directly play and pause from here. So it's a good technique. So let's move on the second technique, which is the search feature. So if you want to search this on Google, then you can directly do from selecting the and then search Google for. So this helps in saving our time, and also we didn't need not to write everything. The third feature is the guest mode. So if you want to do something so that your activity is not tagged by Google, then you can simply turn on the guest mode from here, and then you can do anything here in this new window. The fourth feature is the cast feature. So if you want to cast something, then you can directly do it from here. So if you go, you can directly cast youtube.com to your TV or anything. Also, if you are using a Wi-Fi and your TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi, then you will see a icon here to directly cast from here also. And the fifth feature is the sharing of the URL links like this. So here you will get a icon like this, and if you click on this, then you will see a QR code. You can scan it on your phone, and then you can directly go to that web page, or you can also download this and you can share it. So this was 5 features of Chrome web browser which you can use in your daily life, and it will help you in much more way. So thank you for watching the video. I hope you liked it.